A day in my life as a work from home mom, solo parent edition. Good day everyone, here's a glimpse of my day wrapped in a 3-minute vlog. I've got jam-packed days so I combined this with a birthday na rin sa papa ko, and for today after sending Jeff to school, here I am making my own breakfast. I missed having granola in the morning so I'm making a granola yogurt bowl today. Greek yogurt yung ginagamit ko and I realized ang dali lang pala gumawa ng homemade yogurt. Matry ko nga next time. Then added blueberries, mango, you can never miss that, granola, and I'm using Emco caramel granola. I'll just drop a link nito, and almond butter naman. Someone suggested me to make a content naman for what I eat in a week. Sige, masubukan ko nga next time kapag hindi na ako tatama rin mag-edit ng vlog. Nung hapon na, nagluto na ako ng dinner namin na pork tenderloin with mushroom cream sauce. I love how this rotating tray make my life easier dito sa kusina. Kaya mag-check out na rin kayo ay tapos nag-marinate lang muna ako nitong pork tenderloin. Hindi ko to madalas nakikita sa grocery pero kapag nakakakita ako ng ganito, binibili ko talaga kasi ito ang pinaka-tender na part ng meat ng baboy and also pinaka-mailap rin. While marinating that, nag-ayos na rin ako kasi kahit work from home tayo, hindi dapat siniskip ang shower, no? Si Cookie lang dito ang hindi nag-shower pero napaka-shiny pa rin ang balahibo. Sana all. Ako kasi kapag hindi nag-shower, feel ko ang gaspang ko. There are days na gusto ko lang talaga gumawa ng something different sa kusina or mga panibagong recipe, so this creamy mushroom sauce is new to me. I will just make a separate video nito, but this is one thing you definitely should also make because this is a really good sauce. Actually, gumagawa ako ng mga creamy sauce lately dahil ayoko maabutan ng pagkasira itong nabili kong cooking cream. May kamahalan din kasi ito sa grocery kaya I want to make sure na mapakikinabangan ko talaga to. The pork tenderloin was cooked perfectly sa air fryer. Nagluto na rin ako ng fries to pair with it and plated our dinner. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang plating niyan. So ayan, sa mga niluluto ko, naging okay na rin kay Jeff na walang rice. Hindi kami everyday nagre-rice and nabubusog rin naman daw siya kahit ganito lang. Anyway, this is also a heavy meal after all. And Jeff said,
Pag-open ng restaurant?
Hagoy, para namang ang dali gumawa ng restaurant. For me, it's really challenging to be in a food business, let alone having a small business with a lot of permits and taxes and minamanage na tao could really be one of the primary stressors nito, so I don't know if I am up for that challenge. The next day, I made some pancakes. I was invited to visit the Japan Home Center dito sa store nila in SMC Side Cebu, so bago niyan, gumawa muna ako ng pancakes for brunch. And here's a quick outfit check. Top from Mango, skirt from Zara, shoes from H&M, and then I enjoyed shopping here. Ang daming mga kitchen items at snacks na mapagpipilian. Napabudol talaga ako sa mga home items. Kapag adulting na talaga no? Ito na talaga ang kasiyahan mo. Yung mga gamit sa bahay at sa kusina. It was a really fun thing to do until oras na ng pagbabayad sa cashier. Alam na ni Cookie ang para sa kanya. At siya talaga ang nag-check niyan sa mga plastic bags. Anyway, after that, we headed sa bahay ng kuya ko dahil birthday nga rin ng papa ko. May konting salo-salo kami and we enjoyed the night. It's a wrap of my 2 days and thank you so much for watching. Bye!